Hello guys, you're watching Tech Pirate. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very popular app on Play Store which is just 4.2 MB in size and packs a lot of features in it. The name of this application is Smart Tools. You can install this app by clicking on the install button. Here you can see the screenshots. It packs a lot of features in it. I'll install this application in my device. Let's open this application. You can see the various tools in this application like ruler, level, speed, light, sound, speed gun, mirror, metal detector, etc. Now let's check the ruler first. With the ruler tool, you can measure various types of lengths. The second tool here is a level. With this tool, you can place your phone on any plane surface and check whether the surface is straight or not. If the surface has the slope in any of the direction, it will show you on the screen. You can also press on the calibrate button to make that surface a datum. Here with the speed tool, you can measure the speed of the moving vehicle. You need to have an active GPS to use this feature. With this tool, you can turn on the flashlight of your phone. You can use the sound tool to measure the sound intensity near you. The location tool is just like Google Maps. You will require an active internet connection and a GPS to use this feature. Now with the help of distance tool, you can measure the distance of any object which is near you. You just need to enter your height of your mobile device and then point the camera toward that object. This tool uses basic trigonometry to measure the distance. The another tool here is a speed gun. It's just like the distance tool, but you can use this tool and point towards the moving object using camera, and then it will